Kit the Catter, written by me, Tom Dontigny. Kit the Catter, pitter patter, let's get at her. That is the thing, he lives like a king. Kit the Catter, pitter patter, let's get at her. Kit lives like a king, that is indeed the thing. Only the best of food, usually in a good mood. He sleeps 20 hours per day, that is his way. Only the best of kitty litter, used for Kit's shitter. Kit the Catter, pitter patter, let's get at her. That is the thing, he lives like a king. Kit the Catter, pitter patter, let's get at her. Kit's best hope is that I die first. If I am the servant, there will be hunger and thirst. Kit the cat is now getting fat, and that is that. Best for him that his life is not just a whim. Kit the Catter, pitter patter, let's get at her. That's the thing, he lives like a king. Kit the Catter, pitter patter, let's get at her. Kit the Catter, pitter patter, let's get at her.